you got this. Now, animal impression, you can do a bit of a sound, you can do an action, it's like... Here we go, drum roll please. It's really weird. Don't worry.
It's strange.
Okay?
I don't want to see that ever again. Please.
What was Harry after 1, 2, 3?
Yes,
Some very Australian animals out there, Stella. We've got a bit of variety in the room.
It's because we're in Australia.
Is this last give us your cheek top to the front, please. Give me an animal.
Am I in trouble?
No, you're not in trouble. You
An animal. Oh wait, not really sure. I'm gonna try.
I like the stance.
I'm gonna try it.
Right then.
Shakira.
Right then, after 3, 1, 2, 3.
These guys are good.
They are, they've got it down to a T.
I mean, wow.
Do you know what? I enjoyed that little game. It did take me back to my school years.
It was nice to be a bit of team building. You know what I mean?
We know each other better now. At Becky _